Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide nicknames in the overlay on Discord. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into user settings. Once you're in the user settings, we want to swipe down and go to game overlay. And here, as you guys can see, we need to scroll down over to voice widget. Now this is how it looks like. Of course, we can just change the method. Here we have it, and as you guys can see, we have every single thing. So we want to go over and display names, and we can just hide it never. So now you only have the avatars, but now only while speaking, so you will only see one person, or basically doesn't really matter, but you will see one person or everybody that's talking at the same moment. Also, if you really want to hide the nicknames, you can do that, and as you guys can see, display users only while speaking. That's how you guys can do it. So you just set the display names to never, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.